Hey guys, thanks for tuning in Lines Tech. So today we are going to be replacing these two condensers right here. We got two condensers right here. We're going to be replacing these once I'm here on the roof. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the roof. Alright guys, so here's the condenser we're going to be replacing. Replacing this condenser and that condenser. A couple weeks ago we put this receiver in. We kicked out that other receiver, had an X on it right there. We kicked out that receiver and another pilot receiver there that's underneath the tower for liquid injection for the screw compressors. So we're going to be taking these out. Everything's marked to take out. We got the lines connected to our little header here. And this goes to low temp, our low temp suction. So we're going to be taking, this is all Freon by the way. So we're taking, we got 3 connections here to here. We pull out all 3 points. They're 1/4 inch connections at the tower. So 3/8 to 1/2 inch here into well, 3/8 right now. We're going to be running it down to the vessel downstairs to the low temp accumulator, and as soon as we get it pulled down, equalized, we're going to hook a recovery machine up and do the rest of it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so right now we're recovering the system. Now we equalized it as much as we could, and we got the recovery machine on. So here has a Navec quad piston. I believe it is. Yeah, the NRD C4M. So now we're at 67 in, 6 out. Breaking. So we got setting A on here, setting 1 right here. That's fast. So quad piston. When you get below 35 psi, it says right here. It works pretty good. So we're doing that right now. And pulling it down. So stay tuned. I'm going to be running a time lapse on this, so you guys will see the condensers being pulled off and the new condenser being put on. That's it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so still here recovering right now, and we're still using the Navec recovery machine, but check it out. So we're at 26 pounds. I didn't switch it over to to put it in series because it pulls faster in parallel with all 4 pistons. So I'll show you. Right now we're parallel on series. But when you switch to series, pressure goes up and this goes down. So it's not pushing nearly as hard. It's not pulling nearly as hard. So we're not pushing against the receiver. We're pushing into a low pressure vessel. So it's better if you just keep it in parallel on series. So discharge more, pull more, a lot faster this way. So if you push it into a bottle, you want to make sure you switch this over like this because you have higher pressure. If you're fighting against that pressure, it's a lot faster than pushing into a bottle. But when you're pushing into a low pressure vessel, just keep it in A mode and then fast when you're pulling all bases. That's it guys. So stay tuned. We're still going to be taking these 2 condensers out. It's about 3:40 a.m. right now. We started last night around 11, so we're still doing it. So at 6 a.m. we'll be taking the condensers off, putting the new ones on. Stay tuned. Crane just showing up right on time.
Park right there and take a look.
It's on the demo of the pipes right now. Alright guys, they're starting to take off the piping right now. They got the condenser stretched out here, so right here. They're rigging it all up right now. We're going to take all the piping off, get all the piping off, and then they'll start lifting the condensers out. You guys will see that in the time lapse video though. So stay tuned. guys. We got the fans running here. Nice big fans. Really big fans. Really big fan of these fans. Pretty cool. We got this running fully. This is about to start up right now. Got the pumps running. Really cool. BAC. We greased all the fans. We greased them all the bearings, greased the pumps. We're done. Hey guys, so it's nighttime again, and we're just getting this back online. It's around 10 o'clock at night right now, so we just turned the system back online. We got the microns down to 600 microns. On the system, it's just taking a lot longer than expected. We have product in here and stuff, so we're gonna make sure that we get it back online. But everything went well. Got everything back online. 2 condensers in 24 hours. Complete removal. We had to remove a lot of other stuff, like the other old receivers and stuff, because we put this new receiver in here. And we had to pull out all the stuff. But these condensers are much bigger than the last ones, so we had to redo the I-beam. So if you check it out here, we had to redo this beam and that beam. We had to bring closer. And we're sitting over here, so it moved over, I'd say about almost 12 inches from that beam over the outside, 12 inches completely. So that way too as well. So very nice. These are BAC condensers. All the chemical, all the water lines are piped in. Got the new drain lines done. I got to come back on Monday and finish up, clean up, and get some more straps and strap some things down a little bit better. But that's what we do. 24 hours, guys. Very cool. Our construction team nailed it. They always do. They got everything online. They got everything buttoned up. We've already checked it for water leaks. No water leaks. Got the boots on there. All the valves have been put back in auto. System's running right now. Very quiet. Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.